Hi, my name is Laura Gallagher, and I'm on IMDb as Laura Sayer. I started out doing a TV commercial for Red Lobster, and that got me into the unions. I was in Atlanta, Georgia at the time. Then I did a small part in a movie called The Night They Robbed Big Bertha's, and another one called Return to Macon County. That one was with Don Johnson and Nick Nolte. I moved to New York soon after, and I did a ton of commercials. First, I pounded the streets for a whole year, went to audition. That was in the 70s, and that's how it was done then. And then I got so many commercials that I was typed out. So I was the Woolite girl for about almost 2 years. I did Sears blow dryer and curling iron, a couple of commercials for Macy's. They liked me a lot. I also did a whole bunch of commercials. And then I moved to California to become a big star, right? And I did a small part in a Chips with Eric Estrada. And then there was the big strike in the mid 70s, I guess it was. And so I started doing other things, and I became a stockbroker for a year. And then I started selling software to school districts, which I just loved doing that. I did a lot of demonstrations, created a lot of videos. By the way, my husband and I also had a little TV show called The Gallaghers Meet the Chairman. We did that in Colorado. I actually did all the editing for that. It was on public access TV. Afterwards, I did work at Inspiration Software for about 15 years, and I sold software to school districts. I loved working with teachers and sharing them with how to use the software and how to use it in the classroom. And then I moved to Florida and worked for a little company called Nearpod, which is a presentation platform. And again, I love working with teachers, showing them how to use the software, demonstrating, and doing presentations at webinars and conferences. Right now, I have a YouTube channel, and that's called Laura's Healthy Style, and I focus on keto cooking. Very, very important to me is that people are eating the right way. During COVID, I realized that a lot of people aren't taking care of their health properly. And then I'm also very active on Instagram as Laura's Healthy Style too. Look forward to working with you. Let me know how I can help you.